What's going on?
That's good. Try some more. There you go. Yummy.
2.5 cups of rice.
Here you go. Come on.
For
Want some more, honey? There you go.
I think should have made 4. I figure it's going to be like that. Estimated that serves for that number. Close enough.
Baby's first food.
Baby's first food.
What is this?
Brown rice cereal.
Brown rice cereal. It's some more? There you go. Yummy. Okay, huh? That's good.